Today we are going to study bidirectional shift register. In bidirectional shift register, right shift as well as left shift is possible. When a binary number is shifted left by one position, then it is equivalent to multiplying the original number by 2, and when it is shifted by one position towards the right, then it is equivalent to dividing the original number by 2. Here initially consider Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. The data is 0, 0, 1, 0, which is equivalent to 2 in a decimal. And suppose you are shifting this data towards the left, then this becomes 0, 1, 0, 0, that is equivalent to 4, means we are this number gets multiplied by 2. Okay, means in a left shift data is multiplied by 2, and same data is shifted towards the right. In that case it becomes 1, means when it is shifted towards right, the data divide original number get divided by 2. Here in this diagram we are considering 4 D flip-flops, and this mode control decides the right shift and left shift. Suppose this control mode is M is equal to 1. In that case this AND gates 1, 3, 5, 7 are enabled, whereas the second terminal, that is M bar, is applied to this 2, 4, 6 and 8 gate. These AND gates are disabled, and data is shifted right from this D3, means flip flop 3 to flip flop 0. When your M becomes 0, in that case what happens? M bar complement of that becomes 1. Therefore in that case what happens? This 2, gate 2, 4, 6 and 8, these gates AND gates get enabled, and in that case 1, 3, 5, 7 gates are disabled. Therefore data at this DL shift left, and this DL data which is available gets shifted towards the left. On application of the clock pulse, means in a bidirectional shift register, depending on the mode control, data is get shifted towards the left and towards the right. Okay, thank you.